Yes. Yes. Please call.
Come back, my lord. Service is not done.
It's a fresh case.
Fresh one. Sir, writ petition challenging order passed by the Central
Central
Administrative.
Administrative Tribunal.
Yes, sir.
What is the issue?
This is my lord's issue is my lord's concerning promotion. Appointment.
Sorry?
Appointment. Issue concerning appointment. We'll come back, my lord. Sir, will come back without.
No, what is the order? Let us see the order.
Yes,
What
yes.
is wrong with the order? Let's see.
The order, my lord, the impugned order is at page 82. Because we'll see the facts, the submissions of the applicant begin at page 84, paragraph 3, bottom of the page. And my lords will see at 85.
You are alleging that it has increased 50%.
Yes, ma'am.
They probably must be relying on 16.4
Yes, ma'am.
backlog vacancies.
Yes.
Very well. Come back. So
To observe and come back.
let the copy be served and affidavit of service filed. Stop. Let the same be done within 2 weeks.
When is my lord keeping? When is your lordship keeping?
After 2 weeks. Yes.
After 2 weeks.
Item number 2, WPCC 53 of 2024.
This also, my lords, we seek to serve and come back now. It's on age relaxation.
Age relaxation.
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Where's the order?
CAT's order, my lord, begins at page 125, and your lordship may have the direction.
One 125.
The direction is page 131. LEC para 11. In the instant case, the applicant was 28 years of age when he was engaged as SSCT. Therefore, as per circular
What is
dated,
SSCT?
this will be Sarva Shiksha class teacher.
Okay.
Therefore, as per circular dated 19th September 2011, which is circular of the administration, the period from 20, which provides for age relaxation for persons working for the administration, period from 2011 to the last date of 2023 has to be deducted, which means applicant herein a total time period of 12 years has to be deducted from the upper age limit for of the said employment notification. Even though apparently as per the notification, upper age limit of the applicant will be 40 years, as per clause 3 Roman 6, he has to be extended an age relaxation of 2 years more, which means the upper age limit would be 42 years and not 40 years. Then, my lord, there is a direction. Advertising will cut off for 50 years. We should not exceed. 47 years. 40 years and 47 now. 40 years. That relevant advertisement is also set out at page 128, 129. हाँ तो वो बोल रहे 2 साल का रिलैक्सेशन होगा ना तो इसलिए 42.
So it has the CAT has given directions. Why have you filed the? You are for?
I am for the administration one. We are challenging the order.
The earlier case was filed by the petitioner.
No, administration.
That also by the administration.
Because my lord, there is no appeal, my lord. The WPCT is only the recourse, my lord, in terms of
Correct,
El
correct.
Kumar.
Chand Kumar is well known. We all know that.
My lord.
No, perhaps I was under misconception that earlier was
No.
filed by the petitioners.
No, my lord. Both cases.
So then what is wrong with this order? It appears to be taking into consideration everything. Why should a notice be issued? Let us see these provisions, clause 3(6).
That is, my lord, at page 128 it begins. And
What?
kindly have 129, it is set out. First, my lord may have 128, where my lord will find serial number 3, PWD unreserved, is age relaxation.
Just give us a minute, please. The applicant is of economical weaker section.
40 years, my lord. Serial number 3 is applicable. PWD. ERM and contractual employee category.
No, but there is a clause 6. You have incorporated that clause 6.
Yes, yes.
It's on the next page. It contemplates another 2 years. So why the candidate should be deprived of this?
My lord, let me come back tomorrow in that case, my lord, because we had not served, so my lord.
All right, no, we'll see. If required, then we'll direct for notice.
Adequately.
Not today.
Back.
Item 3 already fixed. Item number 4. 39 of 124. My secret advice for the petitioner. Please check in the medical treatment. My humble praise your my lord to fix this matter next Monday.
Yes, he is having some difficulty. As prayed by land council for the, your respond number?
No, he's for the petitioner.
Oh, petitioner, why are you standing that side?
Usually, well, very well, we'll change our position. No,
No, it will just give me clarity, ask clarity. If the petitioner addresses
my
from
lord,
the,
and if it commends to your lordship, my lord, may kindly forgive me for the first 2 matters. Henceforth, my lord, when I am appearing for the petitioner, which is very unusual, I will change my position.
no, petitioner should be on this
Very
side.
well, as your lordship. Not difficult.
Petitioner should be on this side.
Very,
He said he is appearing for petitioner, therefore I said, why are you standing there?
very well, man. I appreciate it. I'll be there. I
Yes.
apologize.
As prayed by land council for the petitioner, how much time do you want?
Monday.
List on Monday. Next.
Item number 4. WPCT 44 of 124. The appearance of the respondent. Item number 5.
In this case, Miss Anjali Nag is appearing on behalf of the petitioner, Lord. Just not today, you know.
All right, not today.
Item number 6. PRA 4 of 124.
For the respondent lordship state. Appeal against a conviction lordship. There was a direction upon me to file affidavit in opposition against the section 5 application. If there is a delay of 1,755 days. Lordship, I am praying 2 days time for filing. That is ready, but yes, it's your.
Appellant's counsel is not appearing.
Not available.
So let it be not today.
Lordship,
In view of your resolution, let it be.
Lordship.
Item number 7. PRA 5 of 124.
But item number 7, Mr. Alok Sir, senior is appearing for the appellant. So we have served the copy to the other side.
Today I have received. Today I have.
Section 5 application is pending, my lord.
Yes,
1,156 days delayed. Let it be condemned.
No, no, what do you want? Therefore, we are asking.
Lordship, 1156 days delay. I may be given an opportunity to file a reply. Affidavit is on.
The learned state council, you are for the state, seeks time to respond to the IA number CRAN 1 of 2024. To stop for filing an affidavit in opposition, 1 week.
Lordship,
1 week time is granted.
Item number 8. CRS 6 of 2024.
In this matter, my senior Mr. Alok Sarkar
the respondent.
is appearing for the appointed for the SLSA. My lord, the delay application is pending, section 5.
Lordship, I am for the respondent 1909 days. So, Lordship, I am praying for filing.
What is the IA number? CRAN 1 of 20. To stop for filing affidavit in opposition. That state council seeks 1 week time. Stop list accordingly.
Lordship,
2 weeks time, list accordingly.
Blair.
Published.
Item number 9. Defamation.
Lords, we have-
Power 7
This
of
case, my lords.
2024.
This is section 37, my lords. The other side has filed an affidavit in opposition responding to our condemnation application. I am seeking time to file reply to that.
How much you want?
It's been around 2 weeks time. 2 weeks time, my lord.
As paid by learned counsel for the appellant, 2 weeks time is allowed for filing a reply to the affidavit in opposition. Opposition has already been filed on this.
No, no.
It is already submitted in the file.
Yes, yes.
List according.
Item number 10. Deputy 9 of 2024.
Lord, I am appearing for the appellant, Lord, this is section 37 application, Lord, along with section 5 of the Limitation Act. Lord, there is a delay of around 363 days, my lord.
Opposition has been filed.
No, my lord, this is the first time it is appearing.
You want to file an opposition? How much time? How much time? 1 week. 2 weeks as paid by learned counsel for the you are for respondent. 2 weeks time is allowed for filing an affidavit in opposition. Stop. List accordingly.
Blair.
Item number 11. SHS 16 of 2024.
My senior is appearing on behalf of petitioner, Your Honor. I think for not today.
Yes, not true.
For 11 and 13 both matter, Your Honor.
13 when it is called, 11 is not.
Item number 12. SHS 17 of 2024.
Or just not to.
Yes, yes.
Item 13. SHS 18 of 2024.
Think for not today.
Yes.
Item 14. SHS 16 of 2024.
Because I appear for the appellant, my lord. Service is to be effected on the impleaded respondents before the High Court.
I am appealing for the writ petitioner response.
The impleaded respondents have to be served.
No, but you were granted time on 3rd December.
Yes, my lords, I'm praying for, my lord, some extension for that. We'll serve, my lords, and come back. If my lord keeps it next week, we'll serve and come back.
For complying with the earlier order dated 3/12/24. An adjournment is sought till the next week, full stop. Accordingly.
Item number 15. SHS 16 of 2024. And appearing for official response number 1, 2, and 3, madam.
So not today.
Item 16. MSC 70 of 2024.
This case also, my lord, we need short, not today, my lord.
What happened?
Actually, senior counsel is in
All right, not today.
knowledge.
Item 17.
Let के लिए.
MSC 76 of 2024.
Lord, I'm appearing for the appellant, my lord. Lord, I served the copy to the other side, Lord, in terms of the earlier direction. Lord, I will just pray for a not today, I will find my affidavit service. The receipt and
They are not appearing,
the respondent is not appearing.
not appeared. So not today, you file it tomorrow.
Yes, yes.
All right, not today. Served, it is served.
I've served, but they've given me the receipt, I just
Okay.
track report and I find my affidavit service.
All right.
Item number 18. Deputy 2 of 2024.
Means 19, my lord, I appear for the petition. 18.
Item 18. Item 18.
Not today.
Item number 19. WPCD 234 of 2019.
Is the old matter, my lord, just come back on remand.
Old matter, my lord, first remand from Supreme Court. Now, my lord, I don't have the brief, my lord.
I will serve a- I will
the
serve a
copy, my lord.
So when do you want it?
Next week.
The learned counsel for the respondent submits that
Serve करा.
a copy of the petition is not available with him. Stop, it is submitted by learned counsel for the petitioner that a copy shall be served. Stop, as paid by the learned counsel for the respondent, list in the next week.
Blair.
Item number 20. WPA 3 of 2022.
20, my lord, myself and Mr. Kumar are your lordship special officers. This is a matter which is a suo motu PIL relating to the situation of the national highway that runs from Port Blair from the south of Andaman up to the north. And in the last two circuits, the scope of this has also been enlarged somewhat because your lordships were pleased to also include the roads within the rest of the islands which come under APWD, PMC, the municipal corporation and others. So we were essentially awaiting a status report, which is to be filed by the authorities. There are two parts to it. The highway runs 332 kilometers from Chiriatapu in the south up to a place called Lamia Bay in the north. By far and large, the highway is not in a very bad condition, but there are certain stretches which have not been worked on for years or which could not be repaired, which are in quite bad condition. So over the last few, it's been now, I think, almost 2 or 3 years, this matter has been pending. Your lordships have been pleased to pass various directions to keep the roads motorable, to maintain it, because the monsoon here is very bad. When the monsoon comes, the work has to stop, the roads become bad, the situation becomes terrible. So this court has been monitoring the progress of the work. Every circuit, the matter appears in the first week. Now we are just awaiting the status reports.
In compliance with the earlier orders,
The orders had said that the road is to be kept as motorable and that the permanent work, which is the second part of it, now that the rainy season is over, they can start the work. So in fact, there are two particular stretches which were identified by this honorable court where the work had not been done or it had not been started. Now, in those situations, it has been re-tendered. There are new contractors who have been appointed. They have started the work as per what we are aware of. We have not done an inspection. The work has been put in progress and they have tentatively said that by May 2025, those stretches would also be completed. And the rest of the work where repair and maintenance was supposed to be going on, that is also supposed to be in progress. This is one part of it as far as National Highway 4 is concerned. This is looked after by NHIDCL, National Highway Infrastructure Development Corporation. They're represented by Mr. Sanyal, who is appearing online. The other part of it is the road within the town area, within the other islands, which are coming more or less within the state highways. Those are looked after by the APWD. Chakraborty would be. This is
My lord, lordship, I generally assist your lordship on the very first day of the circuit. And my lord, today I couldn't appear personally, so I'm appearing on the virtual mode. I have, my lord, already filed a report. Whatever, my lord, progress that has been made since the last circuit, I have already filed a report. Uh, my lords can hear me.
Yes, yes, you're audible.
Yes, no, my lord, somebody else was interrupting, that's why. My lord, so what we have done is we have filed a report. And my lord, what I beseech your lordship, my lord, that report we have circulated. Let my lord special officers as well as my lord the administration and Union of India go through it. We think that, my lord, since the rainy, when we are not interrupted by the rains, which was the major problem, my lord, few months back. Now we'll have a long stretch and we will be able to achieve our, my lord, progress that we have, my lord, placed before your lordship on the other occasions.
So
So,
this
my lord,
NH or regarding all roads?
no, my lord, I am appearing and assisting your lordship so far as NHI DCL's national highway is concerned. That, my lord, special officer has indicated, Mr. Kabir. I'm grateful, my lord. He has, my lord, mentioned that the entire stretch, initially the stretch somewhere it was, my lord, it was not, my lord, motorable or navigable, whichever term, my lord, may I use. Now, my lord, the endeavor is in a two part. First of all, to ensure that the motors can ply without any hindrance so far as the ambulances are concerned, so far as other essential services are concerned. And the second part is, my lord, to find out and, my lord, implement the permanent measure so that these temporary measures are not, my lord, relied upon, so that we complete the work to the satisfaction that now the work is complete. And now at present, since we'll not be interrupted, hopefully, by the rain, whatever, my lord, we have mentioned before your lordship, we, my lord, hope to, my lord, complete it. This will be my submission.
Is there any kind of time frame mentioned in your report?
My lord, time frame, I'll tell your lordship, my lord, these are all tentative time frames. My lord, lordship will kindly, my lord, excuse me if I say so, because we make a progress, then suddenly we are hit by my lord, phase of rain. So, my lord, whatever time.
NHIDCL, whether it is the court or the Leonard special officers, everybody will know when it is for some reason genuinely impossible to work. So that should not be an apprehension when you state a time frame. The time frame would be reasonable, subject of course to 10-20% this way, that way. And if there is something coming in between which is unavoidable and it obstructs the work substantially, that will have to be accommodated. But you must give a time frame that this is the time required for completing it if there is no other hindrance. There
My
being
lord,
no.
absolutely, my lord, I'm grateful to your lordships. My lord, they
May 25.
Last occasion, they have given a deadline saying that by May 2025, they will complete the construction of the roadwork. This
So it is
from the last
recorded,
occasion.
is it recorded in the order?
well, it's in our report that we have filed on the last occasion.
So it says May 25.
Yes.
Yes. Now, my lord, subject to correction, definitely, my lord, there are some major bridge works which is not included in that time frame. There are other works also, my lord. These things are there. So, my lord, as I, my lord, mentioned before your lordship, that the primary target is to, my lord, get rid of all those potholes and all those, my lord, roads so that it is motorable. And second is, by May 25, we will be able to achieve the target that we have, my lord, mentioned before your lordship, so far as plying of the vehicles are concerned. Yes, my lord, there will be certain deviations so far as the major bridge are concerned. Somewhere, my lord, the minor bridge constructions are going on. These things are there, but major work will be complete by May 25. And we are hopeful if the weather, my lord, gives us a support.
So where is this report? It has already filed.
And
Yes.
even the officer of NHIGCL came before the court and he has given this undertaking before the court. He personally appeared last week.
Yes, then that is it. That's why we are asking you, is it recorded in the order? You are the
specific
special officer,
timeframes
therefore we are
were
asking
not-
you.
The specific timeframes are not recorded, but this court expressed the hope because the executive director had himself appeared and said that we are trying to do this. What they had done was in the report filed last time, there they had indicated the time.
So where is that report? Can we see it?
आगे बात से
Report में है, standard में है. नीचे.
Last.
We'll go through it. We'll see tomorrow. You please assist us.
My lord, just to.
This is the last report.
This is the latest one of December. I'll check it just now, my lord, as soon as the file comes.
No, is there any other report filed, Mr. Sanyal?
No, my lord, this is the report that we file in compliance with your lordship's direction.
Today, I understand the report has been filed. I don't think
Today?
that has, yes, the NH officers have filed it, but I don't think that has come.
No, no, my lord, it has been filed in the morning with the department. It should be there, my lord.
You should tell us that there is one more. You said this is the latest.
Today's
So
one
there
is
is one more
Yes,
report filed.
today's report.
No, this is of 6th November. The one we are looking at is of 6th
No, my
November.
lord, today we have filed in January 25. We have filed it in the morning.
Okay. So we'll get it. We'll go through it.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Sir, I
My
have
lord, if your lordship
added as a party.
taken
I
up
have
to-
submitted, sir. I have submitted a CAN application in this matter to add as a party. I was added as a party.
No, 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 my lord, he was not added as a party.
Sir, I
Application
was
is
added as a party, sir. There are
no,
orders.
my
I
lord.
was added as a party.
There is no order itself. Well, he every time my lord comes and interrupts the proceedings. He is not added as a party. There is an application also, my lord. Your lordship may look into it.
The court
But,
passed
my
an
lord,
order
let us-
directing them,
let us
directing
now,
the
my lord,
respondent
focus
to
on
submit the report.
things will,
They
my
are
lord,
what we need
deviate
to
us
do.
from the actual work, my lord. May I only indicate if your
Sir,
lordship
I
kindly
was-
allows me to,
Yes.
my lord, if your lordship kindly allows, my lord, this matter to appear next week, my lord, so that I means some personal difficulty, I won't be able to travel this week. If your lordship keep
Doing a wonderful job online. You assist us online.
absolutely, my lord, then I will assist your lordship online.
That's your lordship a bit for the last report. There are two stretches. One is called Baratang, the other is called Rangat. Those are the stretches where 6 years no work was done. Those two are the specific stretches where work was to be done. This is one. The second is your lordship will find the report deals with a bridge called the Middle Strait Bridge, which also has been in construction for the past 7 years. And the third is that there are. So the first deals with the stretches of Baratang and Rangat. The second deals with the Middle Strait Bridge, which is a bridge connecting two islands, which is under construction for the past 7 years. And the third is that there are two brand new bridges which had been commissioned and opened within the Jarwa protection area, the Jarwa area, both of which had suffered some sort of structural damage, and experts had assessed the bridge. This was supposed to have been remade, rebroken, and rebuilt. These are the three main areas of concern which this court has been dealing with and which are referred to in that report. Your lordship's last order also of the month of December circuit will clarify things further.
Very well.
We'll assist your lordships tomorrow.
That is with BD Nala and RK Nala, my lord. We will indicate that. That
We'll
is
go-
with BD Nala and RK Nala.
We'll go through, then we'll hear tomorrow. Let us
My
see
lord,
what.
I'm grateful, my lord. I'll try to assist your lordship, my lord, to your lordship's satisfaction tomorrow.
Sir, I have submitted a CAN application. Order may kindly be passed in this matter.
Item 21, Max 16 of 22. There is for the deputy commissioner, madam. And madam was appeal. Paperwork is also being filed. But the appellant, my lord, is not present.
Not today.
Item 22, FAT 5 of 2023.
Yes, next, not today.
Item 23, WPAP 103 of 2023. Right.
Sorry. Our petitioners, my lord, we intend to file a reply to this matter. The difficulty is for the past few circuits, the petitioner is not in station. Since he is not there, we are unable to take his signatures for the filings. I pray, let 2 weeks time may be given for filing reply.
How much time have you taken earlier?
Last time also I've taken 2 weeks, that is a circuit.
All right.
Since
Further
he is
2
not in
weeks.
station, we are unable, that's all.
Further 2 weeks allowed for filing a reply. Affidavit in reply.
Affidavit. Grateful, grateful.
Item number 24. WC on a project
25 and 26, this is connected,
Wait,
my
wait.
lordship. Mr. R. Arup Bishop is appearing in this matter, lordship. He has met with an accident. So can it be in the next week, lordship?
No, it is submitted that
Because I'm appearing for the appellant, my lords, in the first matter, 24, and so he's appearing for the respondent number 1 in the first matter and the petitioner in 25 and 26.
that the learned counsel who is to represent the respondent number 1 in FMAT WC 1 of 24 has met with an accident, full stop. A prayer is made for 1 week adjournment, full stop, list accordingly. Yes.
Item number 27.
Lord, I'm appearing.
Deputy Arva Award of 2 of 2024.
Lord, I'm appearing for the appellant, my lord, it's section 37 of Arbitration Act application, my lord. Lord, I just prayed for Thursday or Friday for hearing, Lord, it is ready, my lord. Paper book has been filed, my lord. Informal paper book has been filed. It can be taken up on
When do you want?
Thursday or Friday, subject to my lord's.
Whenever you say, for we are
Friday, my
here.
lord.
Friday. As prayed by appellant counsel for the appellant, list on, you are the appellant,
Yes, my lord.
list on, give the date of Friday.
Obliged.
Item number 28. WPAP of 2024.
Not today.
Item number 29. CRA DB3 of 2024.
Lordship, they have been directed to, they have taken time to file the opposition.
It's your resolution today, sir,
Lordship.
not today, yes.
Item number 30. WPCP 19 of 2024.
Not today.
The order of the Central Administrative Tribunal is challenged.
In 30,
Your Lordship, in this particular matter also, Mohammed Tabri sir is appearing behalf of the petitioner. I just pray not today, Your Lordship.
yes, not today.
Number 31. WPCP 28 of 2024.
Yes, affidavit of service has been filed by lords.
Private respondent, Mr. Prasad. The only difficulty is I am instructed that the client has had a massive heart attack 2 days ago. He is admitted in the CCU in the hospital here. He has not been able to excuse the Vakalatam. We have sent it to the family members, but it's a little difficult to get the Vakalatam, without which I am hesitant to address.
No, you should not.
So
Better not.
let it stand over to next week. By then, we are trying to get it signed if nothing else.
Mr. Swanshaw, take down his name, submits that he is under instructions to appear in the matter and is awaiting a Vakalatnama. Stop. He prays that the matter be listed in the next week. Stop list accordingly.
Sanchita Kumari ka file do.
Item number 32. WPCT 34 of 2024.
Not here, I am appearing for the private respondent, and first time I'm appearing for the court.
Not today. Yes.
Item number 33. ABT 41 of 2024.
My lords, I am appearing for the petitioner, my lords.
I am appearing for the
Matter is required to be heard, my lords. It arises out of order passed under section 17B, my lord. what has happened in this case is, my lords, that while initially the labor court directed reinstatement, now that order was challenged by way of a writ petition. During the pendency of the writ petition, my lord, the the respondent here, which is basically the writ petition, the applicant before the labor court, moved an application before the learned single judge saying that benefit under section 17B of the Industrial Disputes Act should be accorded. Now, the learned single judge, by the impugned order, directed grant of benefits under section 17B. In the meanwhile, what has happened is that the administration or the employer has succeeded in the writ petition challenging the order passed by the labor court. So because of that, my lord, the order of the labor court has been set aside. Now, the peculiar situation that has arisen is this appeal arises out of an order passed by an interim order passed by the learned single judge directing payment under section 17B. But in our submission, my lord, that order would merge with the final order whereby the order of the labor court itself has been set aside. The other side is contending that no.
There is a time lag of how many days or months between passing of the order, interim order by the single judge, and between allowing of the appeal against the order passed by the labor court. What is the time gap?
Yes, my lords. The order, my lord, the final order was passed, my lords, on 12th of November 2024. In the writ petition, in this final order in the writ petition was 12th of November 2024, and the order of the learned single judge directing payment under section 17B was 21st December 2023.
25th December.
21st December 2023. So almost about less than a year, or a year, close to 8 months.
There was no stay.
There was no stay. They filed a contempt, but because we had filed this appeal, they did not proceed with the contempt. So now, my lord, their contention is that 17B is an independent remedy, and it has to be. So in a situation, if we had complied with the order, had we made payment under 17B, their contention would be that we wouldn't be entitled to reimbursement because return of the money, even though we have eventually succeeded. Now, our contention, my lord, is that this is a peculiar case where, my lord, the order was not complied with, but the appeal was pending. So, my lord, the court did not proceed in contempt. Now, once the final order has come, my lord, it's unfortunate for them, definitely, but the interim order has merged into the final order. It is non-est now, my lord. So they cannot. Today, if I withdraw, my lord, it's my appeal. If I withdraw this appeal, then what happens, my lord? Because they won't be able to execute the interim order since the final order has been passed. So, my lord, this is broadly the situation. There will be case laws.
You have to submit.
It's absolutely independent.
Let's see, then let's consider. Yes.
Why not it can fix a date for tomorrow, it will take up.
All right, tomorrow.
The final order, in fact, my lord, has been challenged in appeal.
Let's see tomorrow.
No, they have actually preferred an appeal against the final order.
Which final order?
The order in our favor, whereby the single judge has set aside the order of the labor court.
That is also pending now.
That is also pending before lordships.
Before the DB.
So, my lord, then if it can taken up together, that is also another possibility.
They are the direction is given.
Oh, but eventually.
It is absolutely an independent.
I
will cite it.
I have difficulty. I'm not shying away from a hearing. No, I'm not taking chance. I have succeeded in this case before the learned single judge. How is the court against
this appeal is there? 17B, all the courts are in my favor. Then my learned friend will seek time saying that
No, I'm not seeking time. It's okay. We'll do the matter tomorrow.
No, he wants to do it tomorrow.
I have no difficulty.
Let's see.
Yes.
We can take it up. Tomorrow we have fixed that.
Tomorrow,
Tomorrow we have fixed that NHCI matter. I think. We'll
Yes, whenever it comes.
Day after may be better.
Whenever your lordships, man.
Day after. Yes. As jointly prayed, give the date of day after tomorrow. This was 33.
33.
This file you please, file also you send. With the IPM.
Item number 34, mat 47 of 124.
Not today.
this may be taken up tomorrow.
Not today.
Item number 35.
Same question. Same question. Same question.
Item number 36, map 54 of 2024.
My lord, as passed an order,
Not today.
but I filed my affidavit complaints, my lord, the registry. Yes, I'm sorry.
But far as the single bench is concerned, my lord,
Yes,
the lordships will be sitting singly from tomorrow. The combined list has been published. We have not got the bifurcated list, so none of us are really
you will get,
tomorrow.
you will get.